What's the meaning of chapstick? Chapstick. Chapstick.
Chap Stick. Chap Stick. Chapstick is a brand of lip balm that is used to moisturize and protect the lips from dryness and cracking. The product is typically made with ingredients such as beeswax, menthol, and camphor. Chapstick is available in various flavors and formulations, including medicated versions for treating cold sores and sun protection versions for use during outdoor activities. The brand has become synonymous with lip balm, and many people use the term chapstick to refer to any lip balm product regardless of the actual brand.